Today's video we discuss how to create a kilometer small symbol using keyboard shortcut. So for creating this you must remember this alt code, that is alt 13214. Okay, I'll show you how to create this. For doing this you must go to your keyboard and turn on the num lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key, and at the same time you must type here 13214. After typing 13214 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see here now the kilometer symbol, the small arrived here. So we are created using this alt code method. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.